Ntuku ya narua Rais Ruto ni atirimene na atongeria ba Kirimaara MUKAWENE jwa SAGANA nyuma yawe gwika mucemanio jwa rukiri na KANJU yawe ya AMINISTA. Kiri mucemanio jwa SAGANA RAIS na ugite ni betikanirite kuthingatira gukuria urimi ni kenda gukandura nthiguru ya Kenya njarene chiampara na gwitia kwa ngarama ya uturo. RAIS ni achokete ARUGURIA KIWANDA kia IRIA NTEERE cha KIGANJO KAUNTINE ya NYERI aria ugite thirikari yawe gachiritanĩria gutigira murimi wa IRIA ni akuona baita ya ruya rwawe akiuga kinya bari na mubango jwa kweberia ugoti kire uguri bwa irio bya ndethia. Rukirirwa na arua Rais William Ruto ni agutongerete mucemanio jwa mwanya na AMINISTA kuma ndwang'ine mwanya cha thirikari kiri Ndiunga yawe rutere rwa Kirimaara iria tonyete ntuku ya inya. Kiri mucemanio juu ni baririte mirandi minene iria ikuthithwa ni thirikari nthiguruni.
Our Heavenly Father, we thank you for this morning. Thank you for bringing us to SAGANA. Thank you for this meeting.
Na kiri mucemanio jojo ne bariritie gukiria urimi bwa IRIA na kinya imera biria bitumagirwa ja irio ni akenya baba ingenja chiao na kinya kuongera mbecha miukone yao. AMINISTA baiba kunirite miswada mwanya mawatho mibango iria thirikari nene iri nayo na kinya buria yumba gutonyera kiri utongeria kenda gukuria Kenya kurikithia muoroto jwa bottom up.
The average age of our farmers currently.
Nkuruki Rais Ruto ni arugurite kiwanda gya kinandi gya KCC NTEERE cha KIGANJO kaunti ya NYERI muoroto ne jwa gukiria urimi bwa IRIA.
Tunataka kuongeza maziwa tunayozalisha kama taifa kutoka lita bilioni 5.2 mpaka lita bilioni 10. That is our plan in the next 5 years to increase milk production in Kenya from 5.2 billion liters to 10 billion liters. Maziwa inatupatia karibu bilioni 200 kila mwaka. In fact, it is among the highest influencers of our incomes as a nation.
Monini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua na ugite mogaruruku nkuruki zakathithwa kire urimi bwa IRIA.
The reforms are coming. Wakulima tutaitana nyote tukubaliane on the reforms that we need in this sector. I want to thank the chairman of Dairy Board and your board kwa ile kazi mnafanya ya kukinga wakulima, because your excellency, in some neighboring countries some of these cartels have gone there. They import milk from Europe. They pack it in our neighboring countries to take advantage of the trade treaties with our neighbors and dump cheap milk into this country.
Rais Ruto akirikireria na ugite ni gikeno kiri murimi kugunika na urimi bwawe.
It is in the interest of processors. It is in the interest of transporters. It is in the interest of cooperatives. It is in the interest of the financial institutions and SACCOs that the mkulima is making money. If mkulima is not making money, all of you will be jobless.